Funny how we met on the telephone.
Love is a temporary madness. It erupts like an earthquake and then subsides. And when it subsides, you have to make a decision. You have to work out whether your roots have become so entwined together that it is inconceivable that you should ever part. Because this is what love is. Love is not breathlessness. It is not excitement. It is not the promulgation of promises of eternal passion. That is just being in love, which any of us can convince ourselves to be. Love itself is what is left over when being in love has burned away, and this is both an art and a fortunate accident. Those that truly love have roots that grow towards each other underground. And when all the pretty blossoms have fallen from their branches, they find that they are one tree and not two.
My heart was yours from the first day. And we were right. We stood through it all, holding tight whenever we fall. And what we found is second to none. I knew this would be love. I knew this would be love. There were days
I, Sander, choose you, Virna, to be my partner in life. In these 4 wonderful years, your colorful personality never fails to amaze me. Waking up next to you is like a sunrise on a pillow. The energy you bring in the morning never always gives a smile on my face. Almost every day.
I'm so happy and proud that today, in front of our family and friends, I have finally become your wife. Before we met, I wrote down a list of qualities that I would like to find in my future life partner. I love that you love me for who I am. I also love that you always support and encourage me to be the best that I can be. I cannot promise that I will always be perfect wife, but today, in front of our family and friends, I can promise you this. I will laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow. I will share your dreams and support as you strive to achieve your goals. I will listen to you with compassion, understanding, and speak to you with encouragement.
Hey, dankjewel.
You alright? Congrats.
August afternoon, I can picture you walking with your father at your side. In the summer heat, California speaks softly like she's making up her mind. As I stand beside you, I say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you.
Love is that condition in which happiness of another person is essential to your own. I want to grow together, live, explore the world together in a healthy and relaxed lifestyle while building a successful team. Your intelligent, colorful personality keeps intriguing me, which I love.
I will respect, cherish, and trust you as an individual, a partner, and an equal. I know we both have flaws, but together we complement each other, always striving to be the best version of ourselves. I will also love myself as much as I love you, but I will never expect you to complete me. Our wedding day marks just one day, But to me, this is just the beginning of many adventures together. I'm excited to start a new journey with you, to share our dreams and start building the life we both always dreamed of.
I promise I will support you, share my dreams with you, and realize yours. Creating a loving family together, grasp new adventures with you, work hard to overcome challenges together, laugh, love, and care for you. Let's build a mountain.
Freckle on your shoulder and the creases on your cheeks, the scar upon your forehead and your whisper when you speak. I took them 'cause I need you, I took them to be mine.
She's not perfect, and you aren't either, and the two of you may never be perfect together. But if she can make you laugh, cause you to think twice, and admit to being human and making mistakes, hold on to her and give her the most you can. She may not be thinking about you every second of the day, but she will give you a part of her that she knows you can break, her heart. So don't hurt her, don't change her, don't analyze her, and don't expect more than she can give. Smile when she makes you happy. Let her know when she makes you mad, and miss her when she's not there with you.
Right now, I'd like to introduce to you the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Brass.